Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
You promise? You're gonna make us big again?
Of course. I promise.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Because Champ here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years.
I can't hear the TV because of them. Go for it! Go, number 4!
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
We didn't do anything wrong!
What in the world? You guys!
What's going on?
It's all right. You'll have to go around, though.
Okay.
Let's...
One tire. I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done. You're interested, you call me, you know.
Come on, Mac, you're in the slow lane. This is Lightning McQueen you're hauling here.
Just stopping off for a quick...
The Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock!
Me be jamming now, man!
What do you think, boys? Thing of beauty.
We made it through! What? He's not pitting!
going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look.
He's going to get you!
Gloeiende bol van fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaait in ons dorp.
Then unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
Hello, Faith! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a...
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Brasil! ¡Ah!
Lap after lap, inside, outside, inches apart, never touching.
Now that's racing. I'm fine, Cruz. I can do it, okay? Whoa, 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 whoa!
You just gave up the piston cup. You know then?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me.
Red, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod. Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh,
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park. McQueen.
Francesco is triple speed.
Francesco is triple speed.
So, you ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your...
A paint job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
So he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I love...
Don't look down, don't look down. Ugh, don't look down.
No thank you, Gordon. I'm sure Mr. Giraffe will do what I tell him.
You, sir, are officially incognito. Nobody's bothering you.
Great.
As close as I can. Your suit will transfer your speeds to Hamilton.
Fine, whatever. Let's do this.
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!